Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we will be making a water rocket. And these were Blooper. Stop the video.
We don't have to stop the video.
Yes, we do.
Show them what the rocket's supposed to look like. Awesome. Okay, blooper. Let's keep filming, and then just.
Oh, we need to say the part.
I know, but we just start over, or we just cut that little part out. What do you want to do? Okay, this time make sure to show them the rocket first before you show them the part.
First, look at your line.
Well, I say that after we build it, after we show all the parts. We have to get them all out.
Okay, let's just. Why is it still recording?
Hola. Oh wait, that's Spanish.
Blooper.
What's that called?
I don't know.
Blooper. You gotta read it. Assembling the extension plastic pipe.
I'm gonna go fill this up with water.
Let's wait. It does not say to do that yet.
It says right here.
That's on step 3 of E. We are on D. We gotta wait a minute. So now we gotta screw the fin support onto the neck, like that. Okay? And let me have the plastic pipe while you do the screwing. It's kind of tricky.
No, they don't.
We're back. I got the bung picked out. We have the bung. We have the connector. So what?
I didn't.
I know. Okay. Okay, so our bung and connector and tubing is complete, and we're ready to pump it up to the bicycle air pump.
Okay.
You told me not to chit chat, and you're supposed to say your line.
Oh, well, Blooper. Pop the song. 3, 2, 1. Oops.
Go.
Get out! There's nothing! Look at me! No more dunking. No more dunking. Louie, don't keep me from the screen. No! No! Get back here, you! Get back here! Fine, dump it.